2025, 8:30 p.m., 36th District Court, Judge Robbins. You'd also be entitled to a preliminary exam, which would be on July 3rd, 2025, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court, Judge Jefferson. All right. What's your name? This is case number 25058-236, people of the state of Michigan versus Trayvon Jaylon Carter, also known as Trayvon Carter, Trevante Carter, Trayvon Jaylon Carter. Counsel.
For the record, Christina Harris on behalf of Trayvon Carter, who stands waives the formal reading of the complaint, and Mr. Carter has been advised of and understands the statutory and constitutional rights.
Okay, first going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Is there anything as to bond?
Yes, that's to bond. Mr. Carter's 21 years old. He has no prior criminal history, no contacts with the criminal justice system. He's a high school graduate. He does DoorDash. And we're asking for a personal bond with the understanding that Mr. Carter not have any contact with his family member, the complaining witness, Rod, last name Carter, and him not to return to the Fairmount Street address. Thank you.
Okay, so these are serious assaultive allegations. Allegations are that you, without any words being exchanged between you and the complainant, that you cut the complainant with a kitchen knife where he had to go to the hospital. Very serious assaultive allegations. You're not to have any contact with your uncle, is it Rodoleric Carter? No physical or verbal contact, no contact by way of text or social media, no contact with his place of employment or residence. Not sure whether both parties live at this address on Fairmont, but you are not to go back there.
Okay.
So you're gonna be fit with a GPS tether. With a curfew of 9:00 p.m. to 9:00 a.m. Not to purchase or possess any firearms or any other weapons. If I didn't say that already, I'm saying it again. I'm saying it now. If I already said it, I'm repeating it so that you understand it. The bond, sir, is being set in the amount of $35,000. This is going to be a personal bond, but sir, once again, no contact at all with the complainant, and you cannot go to that location. Have a probable cause date of June 26th, preliminary exam date of July 3rd, 2025, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court, Judge Taylor. All right, you may step away from the camera.
Yes. I guess the reason why I want to scan to that.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
All the bills we have on this.
Okay, well, I'll meet you on the female side.
Usually they right click on this. But usually I'll do like. Everything. Yeah, too.
So your full name?
Hi, my name is Tina Johnson.
Okay. This is case number 2505824, people of the state of Michigan versus Leah Bethany Johnson. Counsel.
For the record, Christina Harris on behalf of Leah Johnson, who stands mute, waives a formal reading of the complaint, and Ms. Johnson has been advised of and understands her statutory and constitutional rights.
Court's going to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. Is there anything else to bond?
Yes, that's the bond. No contact with the criminal justice system, no prior criminal record whatsoever. She is works for a limousine service company and also is an artist. Your Honor, we're asking for a personal bond. She understands the importance of coming for every court hearing date, and she has given her assurance that she will.
Okay. Court has reviewed the investigator's report. This does not appear to be assaultive on its face, and the court is not aware of any capious history. Ma'am, you're not to purchase or possess any firearms or any other weapons during the pendency of this matter. Do you understand that?
I mean.
And your bond is being set in the amount of $3,000. This is a personal bond. You have a probable cause date of June 26, 2025, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court, Judge Robbins. You'd also be entitled to a preliminary exam, which would be on July 3rd, 2025, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court, Judge Giles. All right, you can step away from the camera.
That's that video right there.
Oh, Daisy.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate you.
Okay, what's your name?
Nikita Payne.
This is case number 2505824, people of the state of Michigan versus Lakeisha Shamina Payton. Counsel.
For the record, Christina Harris on behalf of Lakedia Charmina Payton, who stands mute, waives a formal reading of the complaint, and Ms. Payton has been advised of and understands her statutory and constitutional rights.
Okay, the court's going to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. Is there anything as to bond?
Yes, that's the bond. Ms. Payton is a life resident of this area. She does live with the complaining witness, but it is her belief that he's left the address. She is employed on a full-time basis at a major retail establishment. She has attended some college. She's 48 years old and does not have any pending cases, is not on parole, and is not on probation. She also states that the complaining witness may have left and she has numerous cats in the house he needs to go attend to. This particular address is Section 8 housing, and she is on the contract. So we're asking for her to be able to return to that address, but not have any contact with the complaining witness, last name Ellis.
Okay, well, the thing is, if he is living there, then she can't be there. 'Cause, ma'am, you're not to have any contact with the complainant, Daryl Ellis. No physical or verbal contact, no contact by way of text or social media, no contact with his place of employment or residence, no contact through third parties. So I'm not sure whose place it is, but if both people are living there, if he's still there, you can't be there. No matter whose name, no matter whose name is on the contract, if he is living there, you can't be there.
I'll let him
So-
stay for a couple of weeks and he's.
Okay,
supposed
no,
to-
wait. Okay, don't say anything. Okay, don't say anything.
Yes, ma'am.
So what the court will do is not put that you cannot go to that location, but understand that when you get there, if he's there, if he's living there, or if he's just there, you cannot be there. So it may mean that you cannot live there if he's living there. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
We're asking for a one-time police escort for her to get her belongings and her things so she can take those and go live elsewhere if she needs to.
Okay, that'll be granted.
Do you understand that, Ms. Payton?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Not to purchase or possess any firearms or any other weapons. This court's reading of the investigator's report indicates that there may have been significant alcohol consumption during this alleged incident. You're not to consume, purchase, possess, sell any alcohol or illegal controlled substances. Court is setting your bond in the amount of $10,000. This is going to be a personal bond. Have a probable cause date of June 26, 2025, 8:38. Oh, strike that. June 26, you have a preliminary exam hearing on July 3rd, 2025, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court in front of Judge Jefferson. Hey, did you hear everything, ma'am?
You say it's gonna be June 23rd?
26.
June 26th and July 3rd are your two dates.
Okay, yes, ma'am. It's kind of loud.
All right. Okay, you can step away from the camera. Okay, so is that it, DDC?
Yes, Your Honor, it's good to see you. That's all I have. Have a good holiday.
Okay, good to see you as well. Same to you.
Have a good holiday. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Your Honor.